Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero? Guys, this superhero face reveal. Guys, check the face and guess the name. Guys, this is Hulk. Wow, what an amazing and very nice superhero, guys. This is Hulk. And guys, this is very mini superhero. This is Thanos. Wow, what an amazing and very nice superhero. Guys, do you know what is the name of this famous superhero? Guys, this is Spider-Man. Wow, what a cute and very fantastic superhero. This is Spider-Man. And guys, this is Captain America, guys. Wow, what a fantastic and very amazing superhero, Captain America. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero? Guys, this is golden and black color Batman. Wow, amazing, guys. What a cute superhero. Guys, this superhero is very cute. Guys, this is the new look of Captain America, guys. Wow. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow, what a beautiful look of the superhero Iron Man. Guys, check the beard of this superhero, guys. This is Superman. Wow, amazing, guys. This is Superman. Guys, this is the action figure fighting hero Goldberg. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is Batman. Wow, amazing, guys. Guys, this is very cute and very amazing mini superhero Ultraman. Wow, guys, amazing. Guys, this is very famous superhero Deadpool. Wow, amazing, guys. Guys, this is the mini superhero Hulk. Wow, amazing.